Hey, I'm James with PNW Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And today I'm talking about these KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves. Also advertised on the packaging as motorcycle gloves. So these would work for both markets, according to the packaging and the Amazon listing. So I've definitely owned motorcycle gloves like this before with the solid knuckles, which, I mean, these are pretty solid. I can say that right now. So I've had these for about 3.5 weeks. They sent me these gloves plus an additional pair, which extremely generous of them. But so far, I've taken them to the range a few times. I've used them for like mechanical stuff and just random outdoor chores around the house, just to kind of see how they feel, if they're comfortable, test the durability. And so far, they've really shown no sign of wear. And again, the comfort level, they're extremely comfortable. But I will say for fitment, I strongly recommend ordering a size bigger than you normally do. Normally, I'm an extra large, and I ordered their XXL, which is the largest size glove they make. And like I said, it just fits. It fits just right. I mean, it's not like it's snug or anything. It's comfortable. Got plenty of flexibility. And yeah, like I said, I feel like so far, as of durability goes, they're holding up pretty well. No broken stitches or, nothing like that. No seams coming apart. They got the vents right there in the knuckles to help with airflow. It is, a fake leather. It's no real leather in this or anything. And that's probably one of my biggest negatives to this glove is they're not waterproof. These aren't made to be in wet, rainy environments because your hands will get wet. So that's a negative. I would have liked to have seen some type of water repellent type of material, some type of coating. Would have been a nice upgrade. But for a $15 glove, I'm not going to complain too much, and I'm really not, because like I said, so far I'm comfortable. Like I said, even working rifles to pistols, absolutely no issue with these. I have complete control, and like I said, these just feel good on the hands. The wrist wrap is a nice bonus. It does have, I said, you can tighten that as much as you want if you like your gloves to be very secure on your hands, so you don't got to worry about them popping off. But yeah, so far, guys, like I said, I got a lot more durability tests, to put them through, which, time will tell. And, I'll definitely update you guys, if I find anything crazy happening. But they do work with your phone. They do have 3 special pads there, which works on the phone, no problem. I've tested that numerous times. Perfect. So they did a good job with the material on the fingertips, so you can work your smartphone or any type of touch screen you may be using. It operates those no problem, so you can keep your gloves on. So yeah, guys, well, that kind of sums it up. If you got any questions, please leave a comment down below, but I'll leave a link to the Amazon site if you want more details, or maybe if you're interested in getting them, that's up to you. But yeah, like I said, that'll be in the description down below. So guys, thank you so much for checking out the review. I appreciate you. Just a little close up of the glove again. I appreciate you so much for supporting the channel, for being a subscriber, for just watching the review. It means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.